because I did.
You should be.
I'm trying to get you some more harmonica cases.
Appreciate it. I know. I still haven't even got the one you got me for my birthday.
I know, but say thank you anyway.
Thank you. Thank you for nothing.
Thank you for the
Thank you for the alleged case.
It's in my truck. If I clean it, you'll get it.
I've heard that twice.
Mike, next week we have Kaminar.
Yep.
And then we have Christian Cousins.
Yep.
We have Steve Miller
Oh, I can't
and
wait.
Ricky Hicken together in the studio.
Yay.
Two of the top 5 comedians in this area right now. And I think next month we have Sunshine and Bullets.
Okay.
And
What?
Cold Clock Knockout.
What year is it?
Oh wait, never mind. I'm reading old notes.
Wow. I was like, how much did I drink? Holy shit.
So we love you all. We really love you all.
Yep, thanks for tuning
Thanks for
in.
dealing with this shit. Mike, thank
Yes.
you
Yep.
for letting me be a part of your show.
Yep.
And being a douche.
Wait.
Oh, Cheers for Queers. All right, we're out.
Wait, no, I'm not ready.
Tell me when you're done. I didn't even know you started.
I finished. Because we're not saying that anymore?
Right. I thought that was a good fucking show. Better than I.
Wow.
Thought it was gonna happen.
yeah.
You know why? Because we have